Hello. Today we're going to understand every single code that I read previously in the Hello World program in C. So here I still have the hello.c, and we can try to run the code, make sure it still works. Hello does a dot it still works. It still prints out the hello world in the terminal. So let's get into the source code. Vim we're still gonna be use the editor vim hello.c. Okay, this is a code that we wrote last time. So we're gonna explain. I'm trying to explain like a line by line, from top to the bottom. So as I write, I probably need to comment. If I'm not mistaken, so this is what you can put the comment in the C. I just googled it. So here you type whatever. This is the comment, and if we recompile it, supposedly this line is not gonna be considered part of the source code. The compiler just gonna ignore it. The comment is just for the human to understand the a part of the code in the source code. Maybe like that's the comment you read for yourself, or it could be for somebody else who ever look at into the code that you write. Okay. So I'm going to put the comment at the very top to explain the include understand stdio.h. So the standard IO, like this part, stdio.h, this is a file. This is a header file, and it's a library. Inside of this library, there are many of the functions that was written that was wrote by other people, and this is a part of a standard library. The reason we include this header is because we need to access this printf function to output the information that we needed in the terminal. If we didn't include this, if we delete the top line, and we have the error message because the computer are so dumb. He doesn't know what is the printf because he didn't have this function. Only if you include this standard IO, and then the computer kind of like learns, hey, I know what this function does. He just looks into the file of the standard IO and for that particular function. So in this library, probably there are more functions other than the printf, but so far I have only learned printf function. The next part, the main, this is in this curly bracket. All this part is part of the main function. Whenever we run this program, and the main function are called. So whenever we run this program, and then everything inside of the main function get to run from the top to the bottom. First comment. This is a statement. We know this is a statement because the semicolon we put at the end. We have two statements in this program, printf and also the return 0. What the printf does is this is a function part of the standard library from the stdio.h. So we're accessing this function. What it does is just it just prints out the hello world into the console. What the \n, this is a special character it's called next line character. So after it print out hello world, it goes to the next line. So the cursor will be blinking in the line below the hello world that are being printed out in the console. The return 0, every function have a return, can return something. In this case, the main function, when the main function called, the value is being returned is 0. So by convention, I'm not sure. I'm not sure either it's by convention or something. It just when the program returns 0, it's everything runs well without any. You could put here -1 or any number, but that means the -1 or something else. So that just means there's something wrong with the program, and probably you need to debug it. I'm not fully understand the return statement right now, and also the reason we put a 0 because at the beginning of the function, before the function, there is an int. This one defines what data type the function is being returned. In this case, int means integer. Integer is a whole number, means 1, 0, 2, 3, 4, and etc. So that's why we put a 0 here. If we had int here, I don't believe we can put any like string or any other data type like a or I don't know. Like I told you, I don't know too much about the return yet. So as far as I know from the YouTuber Caleb Curb tutorial, so whenever we return, the function return 0 means the function works. It runs very well. And then that's it. Actually, we can put a comment here. So like I told you, if we put a comment inside of the C, it's not going to give us an error. So this is a comment. So in order to get out, to save this file and get out, we need to press ESC, get off insert mode, and then we put semicolon W right to the file, Q to quit. And whenever we make a change to the source code, we need to recompile it. So we're gonna use the compiler gcc hello.c. As you can see, it didn't change because on the default, I think the a.out is the default name if you don't put any other if you don't specify what name of the file you want to output. So if we run a.out, we still get hello world printed out in the console. Alright, that works. That's how you're gonna put the comment in the C program, in the C source code. I tried my best to explain what I learned, what I understand. Of course, if you want to actually learn C, I really recommend to look somewhere else either in the YouTube or any other like sources that you can get. Not from me. I'm just this is kind of like a vlog to document or to. This is kind of a vlog for myself to motivate me to learn a little bit of programming every day. Hopefully someday I'll have a better understanding of programming. Speaking of a YouTuber that teaches programming, I'm currently following Caleb Curry. So if you want to learn C language or any other language, you can certainly check out his channel. He's a really good teacher. He really explains things very well. Thank you. That's it for today's video. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. I'm trying to learn a little bit of programming every day and then make a video about what I have learned. Thank you. I'll see you in next video. Bye.